Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you how to make the easiest and most delicious flaming chicken mac and cheese. But before we get started, I want to thank Texas Pete for sponsoring this video. So if you're ready, let's get started. Going to begin by grabbing our small Dutch oven, set it on medium-high heat, and to that we're going to melt 8 tablespoons of butter. Once our butter has melted, we're going to add 2 minced garlic cloves. We're going to cook it for 30 seconds. After 30 seconds, we're going to add 3 tablespoons of flour. So mix it. And once our flour has dissolved, we're going to add 1 cup of pasta water, 4 cups of heavy cream. We're going to mix it and allow it to heat up. After 5 minutes, we're going to add 2 ounces of cream cheese, and we're just going to allow it to melt. Okay, so once our cream cheese has melted, we're going to reduce the heat to medium-low. And now we're going to add half a pound of white cheddar cheese and half a pound of medium cheddar cheese. In the start of the show, Texas Pete Original Hot Sauce. Texas Pete Hot Sauce is going to put this delicious mac and cheese together. Texas Pete is the perfect hot sauce to spice up all of your favorite recipes. Okay, and lastly, we're going to add all of our spices. Now we're just going to mix it and allow that cheese to completely melt. Okay, and once our cheese has completely melted, we have our delicious flaming cheesy sauce. Now we're going to add our pre-cooked pasta, along with our rotisserie chicken. We're going to mix it all together. Okay, so now we're just going to keep it on the lowest setting for 5 minutes. Taste it for salt and adjust it if needed. Okay, and after 5 minutes, our creamy, delicious, flaming chicken mac and cheese is ready. So now we're going to transfer it to our baking dish. Okay, so going to grab my mac and cheese and transfer it into a baking dish. Okay, so I'm just going to top it with some cheddar cheese. And make sure that you grate your own cheese. Okay, I'm going to put in the broiler and allow the cheese to melt. Okay, and I'm just going to be garnishing it with some more Texas Pete Original Hot Sauce. So just drizzle it. Ready, and just like that, now we are ready to enjoy our delicious flaming chicken mac and cheese. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. So I'm going to be adding a little bit more of my Texas Pete hot sauce. And you can find your Texas Pete hot sauce at your local retailer. Make sure that you go grab it and make this delicious mac and cheese because it's honestly super delicious. So if you like cheese and spicy, you're going to love this one. Cheers and enjoy. It's so creamy. It's spicy. But it's not very spicy where your kids are not going to be able to enjoy it. I think to me it's perfect. And of course you can always adjust it by adding more or adding less. But this is honestly the best. Alrighty guys, and there you have it on how to make this super easy and delicious flaming chicken mac and cheese. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and if you like this recipe, please don't forget to tag me in any of my social medias, and if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys can be part of our family, and also make sure that you check the link in the description box so you can locate your Texas Pete products. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.